Hello guys, Lion Gaming here, and today we're gonna be cooking some barbecue chicken thing I got at the dollar store. Looks pretty good, I guess, very least. Says it's simple. So okay, let's go cook it. So turn this on. I'll be back once I have everything prepared. So hi guys, welcome back. So it said open one end of the wrapper, I think at the very least. Yeah, open one end of the wrapper for probably 85 seconds, and then let it rest for a minute. So there we go. Let's just first open microwave. Most microwaves have a little button right there. Can't have a little button, and then you just throw it in. Doesn't matter how. And then you close it. It's the hardest step. So let me just open it again to show you. You close it. You put your hand up here, and then close it. Then you put the desired time. This is the easiest step. Okay. Just do, all you do is 85, or whatever desired time. In my case, it's 85. And yeah, simple, easy. Alright, I'll be back once it's ready and once it's sat for a minute. Hi. So, I took a couple bites. Shut up.
Musically.
And it's pretty good. I mean, by any means. I mean, what you get for $1, and it's just microwave. It's pretty good. I mean, when I was at the store, it was kind of a decision between the barbecue and the breaded. But I mean, it doesn't look too bad. So I know this video was short, but this is Lion Gaming. And if you haven't subscribed, please go down in the comment box below. Or not in the comment box. What am I talking about? Go down in down below. No! It is a subscription box. Shut up. You have no subscribers.
I have 2 subscribers.
No,
I haven't even
one.
made a video
You
yet.
have one.
No, I have 2. I haven't even made a video yet.
Okay, but anywho, go down, like, comment, tell me what you would like me to do. Like if you want to do something in real life like this, where I'm doing something, or if you guys want me to do a gaming, and I also do live streams. So go check out some of my Town of Salem live streams. And most of all, subscribe. Please go to subscribe if you haven't done that already. And bye guys, this is Lion Gaming. High five. Woo!
Everyone.
Hello, it's Lion Gaming from the future with editing. And I forgot to add some more thoughts that I really wanted to add. I forgot to add that the bread was like really hard to chew into. And also, it didn't really taste so much like chicken, it tastes like beef. It didn't taste like chicken at all. So, this is Lion Gaming from the future, coming in to share some of my final thoughts that I forgot to say. And that was live, like it wasn't scripted, so kind of, I forget things sometimes. So anyway guys, let me end out this video with a high five. Woo!